I've come into Home Depot for years and I've looked at this, I don't know what size it is, 12-inch miter saw. It crosscuts, cuts it at an angle. I think it's the same size that I had a few years back, but the one that I had was from Harbor Freight, and I'm a Ryobi tool lover. Now, once I go Ryobi, I don't want to go back. And I just can't bring myself to buy it. But I want to get back into woodworking. I really miss woodworking projects. But there's just so many options. I think I'm going to go with the big one. I think I'm going to hold off for now and walk around this for, I don't know, another 6 months. No, I really do think that this year is going to be there. Maybe it'll be my Christmas gift to myself. This and a hand planer. I love tools. I just love tools so much. I love building stuff. I miss it.